For those of you that don't remember this thing or haven't seen it in a while, because it has been off of the channel for a bit, this is Poe's LS Swap Mustang. It was built to be an epic drip car in memory of his dad, who was a colonel in the Air Force. He passed away not long ago, and Poe built this car in remembrance of him, and it looks so freaking awesome. The reason that we've been so excited to get this done is because ever since he started the project, it's been just a dream, really. And so today, we kind of actually get to fulfill that dream and really make it happen. As you guys can see here, Steeda sent us over some really cool parts. They make these billet lower control arms that are adjustable and really freaking sick. That in combination with these new bushings in here are going to help out a ton. Huge shout out to the guys over at Steeda. I really appreciate you guys. They have sponsored quite a bit of parts on this car, including the K member underneath the engine on this thing. If you guys want to go check out Steeda, they make suspension parts and more for all kinds of different cars. Go check them out using the link in the description, and you can use the code IT'S JUST A 6 to save a ton of money at checkout. As you guys can see on the ground, these busted up bushings is what Poe was working with. So every time that he would clutch kick the car, the rear end would also kick out too.
It would hit the shimmy.
It would hit the shimmy. In combination with these ridiculous looking lower control arms, they also sent over these really badass, super stiff spherical bearings. This is going to eliminate all of the slop that we had before. Look at that.
In comparison to this.
Yeah, dude.
The way it's designed to work is literally like flex this bushing right here, and it does that to it. It's not a good setup. This is perfect. This actually has room to flex and move around, so it's not binding up on itself. Coming up very soon, we've also got a lot of Steeda parts over here in boxes that are gonna be going on the new S650 Mustang, so you guys are gonna see a lot more from them soon. But for now, we're gonna go ahead and get this rear diff put up in the postcard and then go test it out. Ooh, you excited? This thing should be differentiating so well.
Nice. Dude.
A little more.
There we go.
Oh, baby.
Differential.
It's
You're so close, man.
Yeah, for real.
You're just
so close.
Dude.
You're like the nicest person going on my car.
Poe's literally got supercar suspension parts going on his Ford Mustang.
I paid $750 for this thing, baby.
For real. For real. Dude, the fucking control arms are almost more than the car?
Yes.
No.
That's so sick.
No way.
Yes.
That's so cool.
No way. You already replaced your fuel line or no?
I've got it built. I literally just have to screw it in.
Okay.
Right here.
You guys probably saw this car on our video on timeout, but we had some rats eat all kinds of stuff around the house, including Poe's car and our giveaway car at the time. If you didn't see that video, you gotta click above and check it out. Yeah, is that tasty?
Dog, what were they finding? And just like that.
Ow. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy.
Man,
you're so
so cool.
He is
Dude,
like
the car can
really
turn on right
ridiculously
now,
close.
actually.
High is everything, Key. I am so excited for you and happy for you right now.
Thank you so much, dude. This would be so fun actually taking it out and just having fun with it after so long of building it and not having fun with it. I know you know the pain. I don't know you knew the pain, but goodness gracious. Like I'm almost like shaking just knowing that I'm about to be driving a manual car again. It's been so long. I'm about to get in there and be like, damn, the Tundra really isn't fast. I thought it was. All right, fuel line's installed.
Damn!
Everything's tight, everything's on, everything's good. Painting angle is set as good as I could possibly get it.
Oh, shit. Well, hopefully that keeps everything safe. That looks really, really good.
Well, how long do you reckon these tires are gonna last for?
Probably about 2 did skidleys.
2 did skiddlies? Okay. I hope I don't have to adjust ride height too much.
So wait, are you driving this home tonight, or?
I probably could, but then I'd have my truck here.
Well, you can leave the truck here.
Don't really matter either way.
You need to put miles on this before tomorrow.
That is true. 500.
Oh, it might be low.
Is it low?
It's low.
Ride height? That's actually about right. You want the front to be tall and the back to be low on these cars. You want it to squat. Moment of truth, my car touches the ground. Woohoo!
That is very mint.
My car rolls again!
Congratulations.
Thank you so
my
much,
friend.
dog.
Very nice. Good shit. It's been a long time. It's pretty sick.
We'll get to drift that thing soon.
I know, bro.
Big happy.
Me too. Well guys, this has been a long time coming. He has been wanting to drift this car for quite a bit now. We had to get the rear diff rebuilt. We had to get some suspension components. We had to fix some fuel. That thing is loud. We had to fix some fuel lines, but now finally this car is ready to freaking drift. It's so mild and quiet now.
It's
so I can drift and have fun and not tell anybody.
That is so freaking awesome. It is back. We got to get some heat cycles through that rear diff and the new gear set and everything. And after that, this car is ready to be beaten on, man. Finally, this is going to be the first time this car has been properly set up. So he has zero to worry about.
Dude, that's awesome, man. Something good, too.
Yeah, seriously.
Roll down the window.
You want to make sure it backs up and everything?
Yeah, I guess we make sure it moves.
We can disconnect all the jump packs. I'm so happy for you. This is dope, man.
By the way, that's my intake.
What?
That's sheet metal. That's how it vibrates.
Let's go. It moves.
Drift car and brother.
Dude. Hell yes.
These are the new headlights too, so that's the first thing I see now.
Oh shit.
Oh, I love that. First shift in. Goodness gracious, dog, it's
Dude.
driving.
And the diff sounds good. It's smooth. That is so nice, dude.
Oh my goodness gracious.
You
It's
should
crazy,
have-
it's driving so well right now. Like
Yeah.
I'm just like, I'm waiting for something to happen. But it's just not. Dog, thank you so freaking much. The fact that I'm in this car driving right now is still making me like goosebump and hair sticking
I
up.
feel
What the
that.
heck?
You get to drive it home, technically. You could go to dinner with it.
Oh my
Good
gosh,
shit,
dog.
dude.
Thank you so much.
Fuck yeah, bro.
We've got a drift car now, by the way.
For real.
What?
It has been so long of Poe building this car that we were talking about one day it would be a working, functioning drift car. And we just been waiting a long time to see that day come to real life. And today is finally that day. Damn, you have a finished drift car finally, dude.
Dude, what are the chances?
That is crazy.
It's been so long and now
Yeah.
everything's done.
Yeah.
There ain't nothing this thing hasn't been touched on.
For real.
How was she ride good?
Honestly, yeah, she does ride pretty decent. I probably need to bleed the clutch and then do a few small things here and there, but dude, it's dialed.
Oh, dude, no. Dude, no way. Do you see it?
I can smell it. I can smell it.
What is that from?
The rear end maybe going side to side and touching the brakes, maybe, I don't fucking know. One of the brakes maybe catching.
So I think it's just a seized caliper.
It could be.
I'm pretty sure.
I hope so.
I'm pretty positive.
I really hope so. They have been out of the car and like it has rained, so like maybe they got seized or something. Like I've got another rear rotor and another caliper and another pad sitting at your house.
we're just gonna let it cool down and we're gonna keep going.
Okay.
So that's not a big deal. We're almost there too, so not a huge deal.
I have the extinguisher in the truck, in the car. If anything happens,
Really?
I'll just flip on the hazards real quick and
Oh yeah.
I'll just put it out.
Worst
wherever it's
case,
at.
yeah.
We're gonna bump it. So I parked on a hill.
Oh, I forgot.
I parked on a hill and it was rolling pretty solid a second ago.
We'll pull Poe's Tundra up and then we're gonna bump start this thing. All right, ready?
Yep, go ahead.
All right. None?
Nothing.
Oh shit. Wait, ignition on?
Yeah, I guess no.
Oh fuck.
All right, go ahead.
Stay in it for a minute in second.
All right, go. Woo! Holy crap! Ah! Bro, this is so cool. Seeing this thing here is so awesome. Well, hey, dude, that was a little bit stressful, but the car made it here, and no glowing caliper this time. Well, one way or another, this thing made it, and tomorrow, it's all gonna be good to go. That's just a bump in the road. Okay. Yo, he's actually kind of getting it.